Thank you so much for this presentation. Recently I've become really passionate about women's rights and just learning about domestic abuse and human sex trafficking, all of these things. Just this semester that I wasn't even aware about has actually gotten me into wanting to pursue something in that direction. So thank you very much for this talk, first of all. And second of all, I really like your mentality of educating the women, because what I've noticed in everything that we've been studying is that we talk about nobody really knows what human rights are, and they don't know exactly what they deserve just because they're human. So I feel like just by you telling them that it's not okay that you're being treated this way, that they're able to at least try to fight back, and I think that makes a huge difference.
Even when they're told it's religious or cultural, so
right.
Human rights are human rights.
Right.
I really appreciated what you had to say also about the small things can make a difference too, because that's something that we've linked together throughout our class here. And it's a very encouraging message to hear, because it was always for myself, it was always me part of an organization, but it was never me doing my own action. So I think that's a really encouraging message to hear.